Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A20e. In this video I'll show you how to change battery sound. In the beginning, enter Play Store, search for battery sound notification app, install this app, and now open it. Tap plus in the right corner and select mode between connected, disconnected, full battery and low battery. Then select your sound source between audio file, ringtone, and text to speech. Then you can name your function, give it description, and tap this button to save. Now you've got your new battery sound. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.